I remember just 1 week ago, I stepped onto one post on Adonis Gang, which is self-improvement server on school. It's like a big server where there's like 130,000 members, young and ambitious men and so on. It was like 12,000 word posts and so on. And this post was about how to optimize your health to become a superhuman and so on. And I read it like for like 5 hours or so. It shouldn't take it to actually read 11,000 words of the like full guide, but for me it took me because I was so obsessed with the first segment, which was actually your sleep, because we all know that sleep is the most important part of anything, to be honest, as human beings, like except from also the shelter and water and actual food and social love and everything. But main things are like sleep, food, and shelter. That's basically it. And after some while, I was researching how to optimize my new routine. Like quite literally, I made a whole new routine based on my sleep schedule and everything, because I'm gonna actually explain today's video how to optimize your workflow as a VA based on your sleep schedule, on your chronotype that I'm gonna walk through today. And so it is like really interesting to think about from productivity standpoint and from your health and in general how to actually operate as a human being. Because I remember when I was recording and posting the video how to actually create the Google Calendar like schedule and everything, but I missed the big point that is sleep, actually the sleep, your sleep schedule in general. And probably most of us as aviators are not supposed to work like wake up at 5 and go to sleep at 8 or something like that. Maybe it's because of family or some events that you're happy. Maybe you held the gym at late at night or something like that. Maybe how like to do shit at night, maybe you're working and everything, you know. And every one of us has different struggles to actually manage your sleep, so I cannot actually suggest you your perfect routine, so you need to figure it by yourself, but I can give you tips and tricks that could help you. And so we are just gonna do that. So I took this chronotype quiz, which is basically determines what animal, which like chronotype are you, because basically what chronotype is in plain English is pattern of sleeping, or when they are most awake, when they are most alert and more energetic, and when they actually can do this thing and at this time, a certain time, and can they do this this stuff, for example, creative block tasks, or for example, just like recording videos for me at that time. So this is like really important to actually understand and follow your natural biological clock, which is your circadian rhythm. So I'm going to really quickly actually take the chronotype quiz once again, because why not? So under 20, right? I am a light sleeper. Like it kind of sucks, but although what can we do about it? Do I snore while sleeping? Probably not. So I'm going to say no. And I'm not a foodie. I don't understand this question kind of well, but I perceive this question as like, do you like food? Like, do you enjoy that variety of food? But to be honest, no, I don't. So I usually wake up before my alarm rings. Kinda yes, to be honest, but then I go sleep and then I sleep a little bit more, like 3 minutes or so past my alarm ring. So I would say yes, to be honest. I struggle to sleep on planes. To be honest, I've been on a plane like 2 times, but honestly, with just one time I remember, because at one time I was just a kid or something like that, and so I don't really remember. So I would say, yeah, I do. I am often irritable due to fatigue. So when I was a kid, so basically yeah, because I was kind of angry at everyone because I wanted to just sleep and have peaceful moment and so on. So I would say yeah, I worry about small details. To be honest, yeah, I do. I have insomnia. Well, I think I don't have. In school, I was anxious about my grades. Well, I do give a shit about grades, so I think I was anxious also. My thoughts keep me at night. I would say yes, but more to no, to be honest. I'm a perfectionist. Would say I like to say no, but what can we do about it? I am perfectionist, so I like to have perfectionist, like aesthetic type of things. But although, what can we do about it? As you can see, my chronotype is dolphin, and man, this kind of sucks, to be honest, because we all know as entrepreneurs, oh yeah, we need to wake up early and go sleep early and so on, but dolphin is like the worst chronotype for this type of shit, to be honest. But when I was actually doing the Sigma male grind type of shit, you know, I kind of felt shabby at my deep work session because I felt groggy and not so energetic, let's say. And so, as you can see, when we scroll down, there's like a graph of different energy levels of chronotypes. I'm actually gonna link them below this quiz and everything, like you, so you understand deeper what I'm talking about. So make sure to actually do this quiz so you understand your chronotype and adapt to your preferences. For example, as a lion, dolphin, bear, or wolf. So let's say I'm a dolphin, like this dark blue one, like darkish blue one, right? It looks the most complicated because at 3, like how energy peak, then after some while I have a drop, and after that some while I have more energy and I have a big drop, like big drop, and after that I have my third drop, which is going to bed, and everyone basically has this drop, right? But as you can see, this is the only chronotype that has this pattern, because for example in lion, bear, or wolf, there's like rising up, right? Like it's steep and it goes back. But in dolphin, for example, it goes like that. It's like a wave, bro. And it's so actually annoying to be a dolphin because you have like energy, and after some while you're just feeling like shit. Like, man, you feel like shit, because most of my days I feel like sleepy, like brain fogged, and like just shit, to be honest. And I start to feel like shit, to be honest, after like at 1, just like now, to be honest. But I kind of feel good, like maybe I have like not so much energy currently, but I can still record the videos, so I'm kind of rolling with it. Most of us actually has this lying chronotype, which is actually good for 9 to 5 workers because you have this energy, right? And after that you have like less energy, like decreasing by over time, like until you go to sleep. And this is like the best, to be honest, chronotype lion, which is like a sigma male grind type of shit, because you can actually wake up at early in the morning and just start to actually video edit and do the shit that you need to do. But for example, wolf, your energy is more like at the evening, so you need to do like sigma male workout, but in the evening and at the night. So it really depends on your chronotype, which where you're gonna actually do the work as a editor. So this is like my old plan that I had previously when I was doing the sigma male grind, and now this is like my new plan. Like this is like kind of big of the difference, to be honest. Like I'm getting sleepy like at 10, so to be honest, I cannot wait until like 11 physically, so I'm just gonna go sleep at 10 and go wake up at 6, which is still like pretty good schedule, to be honest, like 1 hour or so, like 5 or 7. So this is like a good like mid-range, to be honest, while I'm going to school also, so I can do my sigma male grind, you know, maybe work on some shit, maybe do some shit or something like that, maybe go and do the workout actually, you know. And yeah, this is like my schedule right now that I'm currently rocking with, and it actually works great. Like, you know, I have to actually walk right now, but I already did that because my lunch was really short, and I did well in the lunch break and so on. Yeah, how like this little break between the actual work blocks, like actually there's the work block, content creation work block, and learning work block. Well, where I'm actually learning, like researching something or watching some videos on video editing or something like that. And on my night block, I actually do the reading, and I turn off all my devices, like digital detox, to be honest, like after 2 hours or so before going to bed. And so yeah, that's how I rock as a dolphin. So actually this is like kind of hard to adapt to it, but oh well, what can we do about it? But actually I understand at least my circadian rhythm and how my body works and my genetics and so on. I hope this is not gonna like be forever, because the doctor, like in that video, like I think this one of those videos, he told that we have these stages. For example, teenagers has this a wolf or dolphin type of thing. Then for example, when you age more, for example, you become most likely a lion, or I think beer was the second thing, which is like also kind of good, but oh well, we cannot actually really control that type of thing, but we can just take advantage out of our specific chronotypes. So make sure to actually fill the actual quiz to actually understand your chronotype, which is your chronotype, and you will understand how to operate as a human being, mediator in general. And there will be a specific video about your chronotype, how to get best bang for your buck. For example, your productivity hours, your sleeping hours, your for example workout hours, your meditation hours, and creativity hours, and so on. And if you, for example, research more on your topic, your chronotype, for example, though chronotype, sleep time, for example, I search this, right? And there's a lot of schedules, for example, just type schedule, and there will be, for example, a lot of schedules, for example, you can follow. And yeah, there's like your productivity schedule, maybe you just modify it by your liking. Maybe there's like specific hours that you can do different things, but although this like in general thumb rule. For example, as a dolphin, I need to take breaks, like recharge myself, and I also do that included in my routine. For example, stretching, breath work, like relaxing, activities. Then I do walking after my walk, so I can my metabolism, and I can digest food. Like that's in general is good tip for VAters. Then I also do my social media and fruits break, where I actually, to be honest, this is like the most unproductive type of thing, but this is where I actually check my social media in general. But I'll also check sometimes in lunch break, but oh well, what can we do about it? And also I fill up my body with fruits like bananas or some fruits that has like some sugar or something like that, so my body has some energy to like produce really quickly. And so I have this groggy type of sleepy type of shit that is happening while for example at this stage, like at this stage, for example, and then after that have this energy big boost, so I can actually smash the work and everything. For example, learn and focus on to what, for example, Huberman is saying, and take notes and make summaries and so on. So yeah, this is basically my routine as a dolphin, and I highly suggest you to actually follow your chronotype and your schedule. So if you gain any value from this video, then make sure to subscribe, because by end of this year I want to have 1000 people to level up their video editing game. So thank you for watching this video, and see you later. Peace.